So this is really mostly about power protection, because it's very, very important to protect the passengers, because high voltage can be very dangerous if you can't control it. And that's our strength. We can control it and make it really reliable, safe. For example, that's one of the cases where we can use the brake door.
So the bottom line is the brake door is a safety device. There's a current sensor within the brake door that's able to sense if there's any type of condition that exceeds a safe level. So if the battery were to produce an unsafe level of current that could cause maybe a fire or a breakdown of cables or insulation, the brake door can very quickly shut off the circuit to prevent that unsafe current from doing damage or hurting the occupant.
So a number of years ago, they saw that as electrification is growing in vehicles, it's primarily DC power. It's a big battery, lots of energy, and they need to protect, the customers need to protect those circuits against overload and short circuit. Essentially, in a car, it's all direct current or DC electric power. And the Bussmann business is all about protecting DC or direct current circuits.
I think one of the things that's really helped us innovate is the depth and understanding of the customer and of the customer problems, and then thinking outside the box.
We're really focused on delivering technologies for 2025 when we see the vehicle market really starting to take off with electrified vehicles. We want to make sure that we're developing the power distribution and circuit protection components. We want to be developing the power electronics that have high power density. We want to make sure that every amount of efficiency that we can gain through our power electronics can be applied to improving the range of that vehicle.
And as eMobility, we're committed to offering differentiated solutions that are going to meet the needs of our customers.
We have a very strong global organization. We have a number of facilities both in North America and Europe where we already have engineering centers. We have production facilities. We have a robust sales force, but Eaton already has a large presence as a corporation.
Well, Eaton has a long history and has a $12 billion electrical industrial business that they can leverage for the vehicle environment. It's the perfect combination of being able to take that electrical expertise and apply it to a market and a channel that we already know very well within automotive and commercial vehicle. If you look at the growth rates and where most of the volume will be occurring, it's definitely China and then Europe and North America. So Eaton already has a footprint in all those three regions, and we have accelerated our investments in all those regions as well, and accelerated our capabilities to offer both R&D and manufacturing in those regions.